The reason why I came here is because I could have ended up in such situations, like I'm in prison so many times when I was younger. Reliving everything through them has been kind of like a cathartic process for myself, and helped me being much more accepting toward myself, and this went in being much more accepting towards them. So to just like, it's okay, whatever you've done, it's okay. However you're doing things, you don't have to be the best in what you're doing. You just have to be yourself, and that's enough. Whatever I've done in the past stays in the past, and I can liberate myself from that. And that's one of the reasons why I came here. I feel that that thing has to deal a lot with also what people here are thinking about themselves and how they're considering themselves, and if they consider they can actually change, or if they're just like stuck with a definition that they acquired in the past. Whoever enters the prison, they already have some kind of prejudices in their mind, and being taught these people are gonna trying to be bad with you. That's not correct at all, because they're still like human beings, and everybody could have ended up here. In the moment that you categorize them that way, you created a system when they might feel that they replicate some bad models just because of what people are telling them, what their own environment is making them feel. One of the moments that I felt the best, it was through one of the inmates. His name is Sam. When we talked at the beginning, he was very, very individualistic with the process. Like, even he didn't want to do feedbacks, like common feedbacks, because that means that people can steal his ideas and stuff. And then towards the end of it, of the project, he started sharing his ideas with another person that was not doing the work at all. So I just went up to him and I asked him, like, what happened to you? I mean, you're talking about sharing now. I seen you like collaborating with people, and he's just like, well, I can do it. I mean, I'm already doing my job, and that made me feel so good, because it made me realize that he realized that he can do whatever. It doesn't mean that people will steal it, but he can be himself. He can just be at his best and teach other people, and that's brilliant. Since the very first day I understood that design is something that is so much bigger. My background is advertising, but design can be something so much bigger, and especially what I learned a lot is about collaboration, which means really being there with somebody and figuring out problems together, not being an individual that brings some solution and then another individual that brings some solution and then finding a compromises between them, but really sitting down together and figuring out stuff, teaching. We don't know how to solve a problem. Well, we just sit here together and we try to find a solution. What I learned from here is really that it's not about the final result, but it's about the process itself and how you set it up, facing your fears every day, changing every day, because people are different every day. My babies are growing, they're about like to go into the real world, and this is so funny because actually I was the baby in this case, and they taught me so much. So I'm actually the one that finished the course together with them and is about to go out. It's very much overwhelming, and at the same time is something that I'm excited about. I want to see what else can happen and everything.